Hi, this is going to be a short yoga sequence where you're not going to use your wrists at all. So if you have sore wrists or any pain of any kind, or you just want to give them a break, this is it. No down dogs, no chaturangas, no planks, nothing like that. It's still going to be challenging, but not too much. So it's suitable for beginners, and it's going to be around 10 to 12 minutes. And if you want to do it in the morning, it's going to be energizing. So please join me. My name is Montse, and this is SOYOGA. We're going to start standing. So come to the top of your mat, and you can choose. You can have your feet hip width apart, just so if you bend your knees, they sort of fall on the middle toe, or you can have them together. See what's best for you and your balance and how you're feeling today. I'm going to keep them slightly apart. And find your Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhaling, arms up, stretching the sides of the body. You can look up, and exhale, bending forward. Micro bend on your knees. Hands reach the floor. You can bend the knees as much as you like. Inhale, hands on your shins, and then face forward. Back is straight. Exhale, squeeze the belly and forward fold. Uttanasana. Inhale, pushing the floor away with your feet. Strong legs, strong feet, arms up. And exhale, hands by your side. We're going to repeat this 2 times. Okay, inhale, arms up. Look up, look at your thumbs. Exhale, forward fold, opening the arms to the side, squeeze the belly, bend the knees, hands reach the floor. Top of the head towards the floor, chin to chest. Inhale. Now look forward, opening the chest forward. Exhale, once again, chin to chest. Inhale, arms up. Breathing in. And exhale, hands by your side. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Squeeze the belly, extend the sides of the body. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands on your shins or on the floor. Chest forward, open your shoulders. Exhale, top of the head towards the floor, chin to chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands by your side. Take a little step with your left foot back and bring the left knee to the floor. Low lunge or Anjayanasana. Inhale here, chest forward. And then as you exhale, extend the front leg, toes towards your face. Dig deep with the heel on the floor. Inhale forward, dynamic, hips are heavy. In, exhale, back. Inhale forward, looking chest up, look forward, exhale back. The hips can be quite high. Look, I have them quite high. You have to notice it, or probably you will notice on the back of the leg. Inhale forward one more time. This time we do a little twist. Right hand on your knee and turn towards the right. Looking over your right shoulder. Inhale forward one more time. Back, hips towards the back. This time we leave the toes on the floor. A slightly different stretch. You now notice the stretch now on the top of your foot. Still squeeze the belly in and up. And then come forward once again. Both feet at the top of the mat. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, hands by your side. This time is the left, the right? The right leg that comes back, knee on the floor. For a moment I got confused there. Hands come to the floor or fingertips, okay? And look forward. So you're not dumping your weight here. Inhale, and as you exhale again, dynamically, we go back, toes towards your face, stretching the back of the left leg. Inhale forward, chest forward. Exhale back, squeeze the belly. Inhale forward, shoulders down. Exhale back, squeezing the belly. You want toes to come towards your face to come towards your toes. Inhale forward, and again we do that little twist. Right hand on the floor or right fingertips, left hand on your knee or your thigh, and turn towards the left. Look over your left shoulder. But again, we're not dumping the weight down. You still keep quite upright. Squeeze from the belly. Inhale forward, and as you exhale, once again, hips towards the back, towards your back heel, and this time we keep the toes down on the floor. A slightly different stretch this time on the front of the foot. The hips are quite high. Inhale, coming forward. Once again, both feet meet at the top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Press the feet against the mat, rise up. Hands come with you, exhale, hands by your side. Again, we're going to go for a half sun salute, but we're going to include a chair pose. Inhale, arms up. You can look up to your thumbs. Exhale, sitting on an invisible chair. You can keep the hands up here or in front of your chest. See what's more comfortable. Inhale. And as you exhale, forward fold. Hands come down. The same thing we've done before. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. From here, we're going to inhale, chair. So again, lower your hips. Hands can come in front of your chest or up. Inhale, exhale here. And as we inhale, push the floor away. Look up, hands by your side. Okay, we're going to repeat this 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, chair. Sitting deep, deep, deep. Inhale in this posture. And as you exhale, extending the legs, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale, chair. Again, just bring the arms in front, swing in the arms, lower the hips. Inhale here. And then inhale and come up. Exhale. I got confused with the inhale and the exhale. Exhale, hands by your side. One more time. Let's hope we got it right. All right. Remember, you can have your feet slightly separate. You can keep them together. It's up to you. See what's comfortable for your structure, but also experiment with different possibilities. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sitting on an invisible chair, putting your weight on your heels. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hands to the floor, stretching the legs. Inhale, half lift. Hands can be on your shin, on your thighs, or on the floor. Exhale, forward fold. Again, inhaling, come into chair, lower the hips. Exhale here, holding the posture. And the next inhale, pushing through the heels, come all the way up. Exhale, hands by your side. Once again, left foot behind. And this time, we keep the knee off the floor, high lunge. Strong here. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart or even more. Keeping a strong balance. Breathe. You can bend the back knee. Inhale. As you exhale, you can bring the hands down and with a big whoop, bring the knee to your chest. 1. Inhale, arms up again. Exhale, knee to chest. 2. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, knee to chest. 3. Inhale, arms up. 1 more time. Exhale, knee to chest. Hold. 1. Bringing the knee as far up as you can. 2. 3. And now, as far as you can, bring the knee up, bring the foot up, and place the foot on the right leg. You can help with your hand if you want and come into tree pose. Find the tree that's appropriate for you, okay? So if you lift the knee quite high up, maybe it reaches here without your hands, or perhaps it's here and then you put the foot close to your leg, wherever it reaches. And find focus. Look at something on the floor or on the wall in front of you that's not moving. Keep on pushing the foot against the leg against the foot. Perhaps we can bring the arms up. Perhaps not. Keep them where they are. It's up to you. If you want to challenge your balance a bit more, what happens if we start gazing up slowly towards the ceiling or towards your hands? And then down again and relax. Okay, let's do the other side. I have a plant here and I keep on kicking my plant. So lean on the left foot. Once again, you don't want to have your feet in a tightrope. You want them more like on train tracks or wider, up to you. Left foot forward, right foot back. And let's explore this high lunge. Arms up. If that's too much, you can always have them in front of your chest or on your hips. And remember, descend your tailbone so it's not sticking out. Squeeze your belly. It's like you were zipping some really tight jeans. The back leg can be bent. Inhale, stretching again through the sides. And as you exhale, lean towards the front leg and knee up. Inhale, arms up. Step back. Exhale. Knee up. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Up. Exhale. 5. Hold. Bringing the knee as high as you can, and then see if you can place that foot, the right foot, against the left knee for 3. And you can help with your hands if you want to. Doesn't have to. Your foot doesn't have to reach so high. It can be here. It's your choice. Or it's your body's choice. Sometimes it's got to do with the structure of our bones or where we are today. Let's breathe. Once again, your hands in front of you. Find your drishti, find your gaze, find your focus. Something that's not moving. Perhaps we can bring the arms up, challenging a bit the balance, squeeze the belly. Elongate the sides of the body. And if you want to challenge a bit more your balance, start slowly gazing up towards the ceiling, perhaps even towards your hands. And then exhale, come forward, let go. Letting go. And one last inhale, arms up. Exhale, come forward. Uttanasana, bring the hands to the floor. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. This time, open heel toe until you've opened your feet quite wide, wider than your hips. Bend your knees a little bit. Well, actually bend them as much as you can, as you want. So your thighs are like a little shelf for your belly. And hang in here for a moment. Finding a little bit of rest. Breathe, recovering the breath. Trying to smooth the breath. Breathing in through the nose. Breathing out through the nose. The head is heavy. You can sway side to side if that's pleasant. You can stay here. You can sway front and back. And you can find stillness in the pose. And then just let go, hands towards the floor. Narrow your feet a bit if they were very, very wide. And then bending the knees generously, start rolling up. Rolling the spine, vertebra by vertebra. Sometimes I like bringing my hands to my legs and sort of like climbing up slowly. Keep your eyes closed. Come into your Tadasana. Find this one moment where you are finding this like upright position. Spine is straight, but not rigid. Shoulders are relaxed. Hands are heavy by your side. Also relaxed. and feet are pressing strongly against the floor. Your weight is equally distributed between the 2 feet and between toes and heels. One more breath here. Know that any time during the day you can come back to this place of groundness, stillness, confidence. And then open your eyes. And we are done. You're ready. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe. Subscribe, and if you press the little bell, you know, you're gonna get a notification every time I post a video, which is roughly once a week. But you know all this, you know, because every person in YouTube tells you to do the same thing. So, but if you do it, I'll be very happy. So yeah, subscribe, press the notification button, and leave me a comment. Press like or leave me a comment and let me know what else would you like. If you like more videos not using your wrists, if you like more short videos, standing, sitting, more yin, let me know. Okay. And thank you so much once again.